I'll discuss how to do exercise 1.1. Question number 1 is write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. Sum is -7. That means you have to write two integers. When you add those two integers, you will get -7. There may be several options. Okay. For an example, if I take -14 and 7, if I add them, what will be my answer? -7. Like this way, you have to write this pair of integers. So B and C, you have to do as homework. Question number 2. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Difference means when you subtract. Difference means when you subtract. So you have to write a pair of negative integer. Pair of negative integer means both integers should be negative. So for an example, take two integers like -8 and -16. If I subtract -8 minus 16, so what it will become? -8 plus 16. Answer is this. Okay. So the pair of integers is -8 and -16. This way you have to solve question number B and C. Question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored -40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0, -40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? That means you have to add their score and you have to check which team, either A or B, won the quiz. Next, question number 4. Fill in the blanks to make the following statement true. Here you have to use the properties of integers. If you remember the properties that we have discussed, that is closure property, commutative property and associative property. The first question is -5 plus -8 equals to -8 plus dash. That means when we add two integers, order doesn't matter. That means if I write first -8, and we can write -5 here also, that the result is not going to change. Okay. Same way you have to fill these blanks using their properties. And next is you note down a definition of additive inverse. Additive inverse. So additive inverse, it is a number that you add to a number to get, or so that when you add it becomes 0. Okay, you will note down this definition in your notebook. It is a number that you add to a number to get 0. Thank you.